Hey everybody, my name is Brian Patterson. I'm an instructor out at the Musicians Woodshed. I teach guitar, ukulele, bass, piano, and voice. And today I want to give you a quick crash course in tuning your guitar. This will hopefully be useful for all you beginners out there. It may be helpful for you beginner ukulele and bass students as well as you parents out there. So the first thing we would need is some sort of tuner. Today I'm using a Snark. It's a pretty simple tuner that clips on right on the headstock of your guitar, and there are a lot of apps out there for your devices that you can find that are free, and some things to know about the dials of these tuners. If your meter is showing up on the left side of the dial, your pitch is flat, and so you'd want to tighten the string. And if it's metering on the right side of the dial, your pitch is sharp, and so you'd want to loosen the string. So let's begin with our low E string, the 6th string here. And you'll see I'm showing up a D sharp. So what we're going to want to do is turn these tuners away from us or counterclockwise. It doesn't take much. And while you play the pitch or play the string, watch the meter and adjust it until it gets to the center of the dial, and it's staying there pretty good. There we go. And now we go on to the next string. And my A is showing up pretty sharp, so we're going to want to back off the tension of this string. So we're going to want to turn your tuner towards us just a little bit. And for all the strings that are showing up sharp, you should go below the pitch and then tune it back up to pitch. That'll help the strings kind of lock in place and stay in tune a little better. Okay, so next let's check our 4th string, D. My D's a little flat, so I want to turn it away from me just a bit. It doesn't take much. There we go. And now as we go to the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st strings, if your tuners are on the bottom of your headstock, you're going to want to reverse the direction that you turn for tightening and loosening. So my G is showing up a little flat. I want to turn the string towards me this time to tighten and raise the pitch, or clockwise. There we go. And now on to B, 2nd string. My B's a little sharp, so I'm going to want to go a little bit lower than pitch, a little bit flat, and tune up. There we go, and now let's check our high E. Okay, so now I'm showing up a D sharp. I want to tune up again, tune the tuner towards you, turn the tuner towards you. All the way up to E, and then you want to check your strings here. Sounds pretty good. I'm going to give it a once over. I hope y'all found this tuning crash course helpful. Until next time, I'm Brian Patterson with the Musicians Woodshed.